This is Kurt Dove, FLW Pro Circuit Angler, coming at you today about Hayabusa fishing hooks. I want to encourage you to go on to Hayabusa Fishing's YouTube channel. Been loading a lot of videos. They've been doing a great job about showing you all their different models and great attributes from each hook that Hayabusa provides. I want to talk to you quickly today about the Hayabusa fishing advantages. So important about why Hayabusa is a great product that you should try, or if you are currently using Hayabusa, different ways that you can take advantage of these products. The first thing about Hayabusa fishing that I believe is super important is chemically sharpened hooks. This is a Japanese hook company and chemically sharpened. You don't find that in multitudes of hook companies out there, but the ones that you do, when I give these hooks to people, they just always tell me how sticky that point is, whether it's a round bend, offset, treble hook. It's just a super sticky hook. The chemically sharpened is going to provide you hook durability. So chemically sharpened is a huge advantage of Hayabusa fishing. The second huge advantage, in my opinion, with Hayabusa is technique specific engineering. I'll give you a quick example of that. Let's assume you're using a wacky hook on a spinning rod with 8 or 10 pound test. This is the WRM 962. It's got an awesome little bait keeper right there. A great hook for using it in those applications, but certainly you wouldn't want to throw this hook into, heavy cover with 15 pound test, because it's just a medium wire hook. You'd want to go to a heavier wire hook so you could really put some pressure on that fish. This is the WRM 201. This is a great wacky hook, using it with heavy line, maybe even a bait caster application. So you'll find through all of Hayabusa's different models, technique specific variations that are really important for how you're using the hook out there on the water. The next advantage that Hayabusa provides is NRB coating. NRB coating means non-reflective black. It's kind of basically a fluorine coating on the hook. Let me give you an example of what that fluorine coating does. I've got a worm rigged up here on a WRM 956 hook, and when a fish grabs the bait, it's going to push down, and in order for you to get the hook into that bait, that plastic needs to release from the hook point. That slick NRB coating is going to help that happen, give you the best chance to get the hook into the fish, and also when you go to set the hook, it's going to provide you a much greater penetration. All of these things combine to the fourth Hayabusa advantage, and that is effortless hooking power. The NRB coat, the technique-specific engineering, all these things create the angler advantage for effortless hooking power. So really critical about Hayabusa fishing. The final fifth Hayabusa advantage I want to talk to you about today is the original point. Any models that you find do not have the NRB coating on Hayabusa fishing hooks are going to have the original point. This is the spin muscle guard. You'll find this on the power stage, the DSR 132, the DSR 132 HD, but the original point is actually a cut point that has a kind of an additional length down to the barb, so you can really pull set into those fish. And that's the key thing about the original point. It's just a great hook for a great hook point in those applications that Hayabusa has where the hook does not have the NRB coating. What this all boils down to, folks, Hayabusa fishing advantages, crazy critical. It's going to make you a better angler. Go check out our YouTube page, Hayabusa Fishing, also our website, hayabusafishing.com. We'll see y'all there.